Once again, welcome to Kibaki Videos. I'm here waiting at Union Square Station in Somerville, Massachusetts, waiting for the train to go to Harvard Square in Cambridge, Boston, Massachusetts. I want to do footage or video at Harvard Square, but it's very cold, snowing hard and windy, so that I can't make it to Cambridge, Harvard Square, It is what it is. But I want you guys to enjoy the Mother Nature, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos. You have a stress-free, blessed day and night. Bye.